eskuru ya baisike ya St Angela Sengera nigo yairera okweyarigani kwabo ase amatemwa a KCSE gokwana omwalimu omonene Sister Maria Sesera nigo airera na kibabire bakobeka omukia nonya ekalenda yekisemi yabakegoturubania asokwenekia obokoreri obuya murikeito ndemo Steven norobotiuru.
Kalenda yekisemi yo mwaka bwekiri wibere na 2022 niwe yabeire ntambene nkongu eyo yatwarire bitango nebigoche binge buna tokwererwa no mwalimu omonene o St Angela Sengera Girls.
The COVID-19 really affected the school program and especially the candidates we are having. We had to have a crash program and be able to cover full syllabus. The advantage of going to the normal calendar is that the girls, even the teachers, will have ample time to cover the syllabus as pertains to the curriculum.
Omokia bwa baoroki wono ko bwatana gati ya baorokia na baiboli no roskiri kisemi go ikobwa robo. Kando nebigocha Sengera Girls nigo baigenete byariganirike boikerano asamatemwa KCSE agochaka ewikere bosio.
This year we are having 193 candidates for KCSE. The teachers have fully prepared the girls because right now they are just perusing the last score.
Gati yebitiro birase skuru ya Sengera nense mwechi labaratory echo kolengana na Sister Chikete no gusaba kwabona ase wizara yekisemi koba gusweria omochando yo bosibogo chakagwe kalende nya yekisemi omwaka kiri bwibere 2023.
We have a challenge with the laboratories, and since we are jumping towards having girls being empowered scientifically, we are in need of more laboratories because now we only have 2 which are for chemistry. So we need 2 also for biology and 1 for physics. Through the CS, we are appealing if we can, through the ministry, to fund us at least 2 laboratories.
Nigo buna Ndizi TV tokobaganiria abaoroki kubonsi chinga kichingia choko yaligania.
As we are starting our end year exam, which is the KCSE, all the students in Kenya, we wish them all the best and we hope all will be well.
Koripoteria Ndizi TV, Elietariane, Ndemo Steven.